Hello everyone, I'm Sugat Pawar, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology Pune. In this video, I'm going to introduce the controllability and observability concept. Controllability. A system is said to be completely state controllable if it is possible to transfer the system from any initial state to any desired state in a finite time interval with the help of constraint control vector u of t. Controllability can also be defined as a system is said to be completely state controllable if there exists an unconstrained control vector u of t which transfer any initial state x of 0 to any desired state xt in a finite state or finite time. Now, what is the condition for complete controllable, or when we can say that a system is complete state controllable? A continuous time system described by the given equation x dot of t is equals to ax of t plus bu of t is completely state controllable if the rank of matrix b ab a square b and so on a small n minus 1b is n, where n is nothing but the number of rows of matrix A. The matrix B A B A square B A n minus 1b is called as controllability matrix. Now, with the help of this calculation of rank of the controllability matrix, we can determine whether the system is completely controllable or not. If the rank of matrix is matched with n, then we can say that system is absolutely controllable. Now the next concept is observability. Now the definition of observability is a system is said to be completely state observable if every initial state x of 0 can be determined from the observation of y of t and control vector u of t over a finite time interval. Now, what is the condition for complete system to be complete observable? A continuous time linear time invariant system described by x dot of t is equals to ax of t plus bu of t and y is equals to cx. This is completely state observable if the rank of the matrix C transpose A transpose C transpose A transpose square C transpose and so on A transpose n minus 1 C transpose is n if it match with the rank of the given matrix, then the matrix C transpose A transpose C transpose A transpose square C transpose A transpose n minus 1 C transpose is called as state observability of the observability matrix. Thank you.